Hello everyone, today we will learn how to create Mailchimp subscribers from new Acuity scheduling appointments. So if you use Acuity scheduling to create appointments for your customers, then every time a new appointment is created, you want that information should be used to create a new subscriber in your Mailchimp account as well. So we can create an automation for this with the help of Pabbly Connect, where our trigger will be new appointment created in your Acuity scheduling and our action will be to create a subscriber in your Mailchimp account. Let us learn how to do it. So let us integrate Acuity scheduling appointments and Mailchimp so that every time a person creates an appointment in Acuity scheduling, that information is used to create a subscriber in our Mailchimp account. And we will be creating this automation with the help of Pabbly. Let us quickly sign in into the account. If you don't have an existing account, click on sign up for free. I will straight away sign in and this will take me to this page where I can see Pabbly Connect, Pabbly subscription billing and all the applications provided to us to create automation. We will use Pabbly Connect today to integrate both of these applications. So click on access now. As soon as you reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, you have to go to the right corner. Right top corner, you see a big blue button where it's written create workflow. Click on the button and give a suitable name to your workflow. I am going to name it as Create Mailchimp subscribers from Acuity scheduling appointments. Click on create and then a blank workflow will be created for you. Here you can see two boxes with trigger and action written over it. So trigger will take place in our trigger application or the first application. In that application, we are going to perform an event and that is going to be the trigger of this workflow. Further, when that event takes place, in the action application, the automation will work and the assigned action will be performed. So our trigger application today is Acuity. So let us choose our application. Make sure you have opened your Acuity account and your Mailchimp account here over in separate tabs. It will be easier for you to create this workflow. Choose the event as a new appointment, which means a new appointment is created is going to be the trigger event. Okay. Now we will connect both the accounts, Pabbly Connect and Acuity scheduling, so that every time a new appointment is created, the information is fetched by Pabbly Connect and captured and brought to this workflow over here so that it can be further transferred to your action application. Click on connect, add new connection, connect with Acuity scheduling, and then it will ask you to enter your email. So I will enter my email that will make sure that this is the account that I want to connect my Pabbly Connect with. And therefore the connection is established. Now, when you click on Save and Send Test Request, make sure that you go back to your Acuity and add a new appointment over here so that while it is capturing, like you can see if I click on it, it will start capturing and then I have to create a new appointment over here. So let us go on appointment and then choose your availability. Like I'm choosing it on Sunday 26th. Okay, and my time of availability is 12 p.m. So I will now enter my name. So these are my entries. I have entered the details. I'll click on schedule appointment. And then it will ask me to recheck my details again if I want to make any changes and click on save. So this is how your appointment will be created. When you go back to Pabbly Connect, you can see that yes, a response has been received. The name, the contact number, the email address, the date of the appointment and the time period as well. So which means that we have received all the information what was entered while creating a new appointment. Now you want to create a subscriber or a member in your Mailchimp using this information, which means if the person's name is John Doe, so you want to create a subscriber with the same name and the contact details. So click on your action application box and then choose your application as Mailchimp. When you do that, you have to add the action event as add new member with custom fields. Why custom fields? Because if you're just adding a member, then you just have to enter the name. But right now you have more information than just name. You have the email address, you have the phone number. So you are going to choose the custom field event. Okay, now click on connect because again, Pabbly Connect needs access into Mailchimp so that it can create a subscriber in your Mailchimp account. Click on add new connection and then you have to enter token and data center. So you'll get token through these instructions. Let us know how are we going to do it. When you go to your Mailchimp account, you go to your profile over here, click on profile as the menu option and then after that go to extras and API keys. When you reach the API keys, you will be having a list of all the API keys that were ever generated in your account. Click on create a new key and give it a name. I'm going to name it as Acuity Scheduling. Okay, and generate a key. This is the name of my key. It will be used only for this workflow. So I have copied it from there and I pasted it here. Now in data center, you have to enter the data center as, for example, you're given this URL. In this URL, this US19 is what you are supposed to enter over here. So if you go back to your Mailchimp account and see the URL of your Mailchimp account, whatever is after slash and before this .admin is your data center. For example, in my case, it's written US6. So you enter it manually, US and 6. This is your data center. Click on save and your accounts will be connected soon. Here it says connected now. Now you have to choose an audience list. So audience list is the username of your Mailchimp account that is already chosen over here. That is the proof that you have connected to the correct account. Now you have to fill in the information that are basically required to create a subscriber or a member in any Mailchimp account. So you will map this data. And how are you going to map this data? Whenever you click on any empty field in the action application, so it will ask you to insert data from the previous step. In this case, you are given a drop-down menu, or you are given many menus in other cases as well, where you're provided the list of all the responses that you have received in your trigger or your previous application. Okay, like you have over here only one trigger application, Acuity Scheduling. So all the responses are provided to you. So the email address of the person is this. So you have mapped it. Any given time, a new email address arrives in Acuity Scheduling, but that newly created or newly entered email address will be here used for creating a new subscriber. Now, no tags were there. So, subscriber, unsubscribed. So, it's subscribed because you're creating a subscriber. No interest, nothing was entered. First name. So, enter the first name as this. Keep mapping it all the way through. The last name and the mobile number. These were the information that we entered. So we have entered all the information that we did while filling up the form of the appointment. Click on save and send test request and you will receive the response from your action application. Here you can see an ID is created, which is a proof that yes, our workflow has been a success, and it shows no error, which means again our workflow went really well. First of all, save your step by clicking on save. Close this window so that we can go back and check that have we created a subscriber or not. Go to all contacts and then see the topmost contact is the one that we just created. Email address, first, last name, mobile number, and we chose as subscriber as well. And it came from the API Acuity Scheduling that is also mentioned over here. Okay, so which means that yes, this workflow really did work. So let us do a quick recap that our trigger application was Acuity Scheduling, connected both the accounts with Pabbly Connect, whether it's a trigger or the action application. When we connected the account, every new appointment information was able to reach Pabbly Connect. Pabbly Connect captured the information and transferred it to Mailchimp when Mailchimp was connected to Pabbly Connect, and then a new member was added in Mailchimp. So this was the whole workflow. I hope this helped.
Not just these applications, but you can integrate many other applications using Pabbly Connect. If you have any issue regarding Pabbly, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any doubts regarding our pricing, then you can connect us through this given website. If you found this video helpful in any way, then make sure to share this with your friends and colleagues to make their life easier by creating automations. We will meet in the next video. Till then, do not forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.